Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. It is August 24th, 2019. Got another Yamaha Wolverine X2 headed out the door. We did a few different things on this one. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the machine. On this one, we have done the high lifter lift kit on it, along with the 27-inch terabytes. You can see the lift bracketry up in there on the front. Terabytes there. We've done the full flip-up windshield from Super ATV. ATV UTV Tech side view mirror. The Yamaha soft cab kit. Show you a little bit more about that on the other side. There you can see the high lifter bracketry there on the rear suspension. With the soft cab kit, you can roll those windows back and safely secure them out of the way if you want to have that airflow during the hot summer day. If it's cool in the mornings, you can have that cab kit all the way shut, heats up during the day. You can roll those windows back and keep them out of your way. The back window as well can also be rolled up and tucked using those secure straps up there. With the Super ATV full flip-up windshield, you can open up the windshield and get you some airflow on each side. You can do the driver's side separately than the passenger side, or you can open up both sides. You can also flip the windshield all the way open. I'll come around to this other side here. On the cab kit, I'll show you before I hop in. This side obviously is all the way shut, or you've got a big viewing area there. You can unzip the window. Open up that windshield and it'll open up all the way on those hinges. We've had really good luck with this windshield so far. Also on this machine, we've installed the full Bluetooth sound system. SSV works there. The overhead audio system. Great sound, great price. We love stuff from SSV Works, waterproof. The best sound you can get in those fiberglass housings. They tuck up out of the way. You're not going to hit your head or anything on them. And you can also see that rear view mirror from ATV UTV Tech. Rear tire there. This tread pattern has worked out really well for us. Seems to be wearing good on the road. What do you guys think of this soft cab kit? Do you guys have one? Any feedback you have for us? They do have the hard cab kit available as well as the soft cab kit available. And of course, we've got them here at Big Pine Sports. If you'd like more information, you can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call, 435-427-3338, or you can talk to me personally. My name's Jared, 435-851-3637. You can call or text that number anytime. If you guys have any questions about the Wolverine X2 or any of the accessories you're seeing here, feel free and give us a call. We'd love to help you with anything you'd like.